Hello, my name is James Brian F. Ramos and I'm about to present my car cell analogy. Let's start with the cell membrane. The basic function of the cell membrane is to protect the cell from its surroundings. The cell membrane is like a car spring because both of their purposes are to protect whatever is inside. And the next one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid that fills a cell. It is made up of mostly water and salt. Cytoplasm is located all throughout the cell within the cell membrane of all cell types and contains all organelles and cell parts. The cytoplasm is like a car hood because they both hold and protect the organelles or needed materials to make the object run smoothly. Next is the nucleus. The nucleus is responsible for providing the cell with its specific characteristics. The nucleus is like a driver because they both instruct either the car or the cell what to do. Next is the mitochondria. The role that the mitochondria plays in a cell is to provide the energy it needs to move. The mitochondria is like a car's motor because they both provide energy that moves either the cell or the car. The next is the nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is a thin layer surrounding and protecting the nucleus. The nuclear membrane is like an airbag because they both help protect the driver. Next is Golgi apparatus. A major function of the Golgi apparatus is the modifying, sorting, and packaging of proteins for secretion. The Golgi apparatus is like a fuel tank because they both package things for secretion or send the fuel to the motor for it to run. Next is lysosome. There are many organelles inside a cell that work to remove any type of waste. One of the key organelles involved in digestion and waste removal is the lysosome. They digest excess or worn out organelles, food particles, and viruses or bacteria. The lysosome is like an exhaust pipe because they both work to remove all of the waste or unneeded material. Next is the vesicle. The vesicle are used when a molecule needs to move multiple times. The vesicles are like the wheels and axles on a car because they both are used to transport objects to their destination if needed multiple times. Next is the ribosome. Function of ribosomes. Ribosomes are cell structure that makes protein. Protein is needed for many cell functions such as repairing damage or directing chemical processes. Ribosomes can be compared to the transmission of a car. The transmission is where the steering wheel, the brakes, and the clutch are all found. Just like ribosomes, the applicant of the transmission, the car could function but not go anywhere. And next is the endoplasmic reticulum or the ER. The endoplasmic reticulum function as a manufacturing and packaging system for the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum can be compared to all the pipes and electrical circuits found throughout the car. Like the ER, the pipes and wires carry many different things to different phases within the car. That is my cell analogy.